It's definitely a backslid.
You just follow my directions to a T, and you won't have to worry about a thing.
How far off of fucking Columbus are they?
Far enough to get fucking citrus zins, dude.
7-3, 50 Taylor, 10-3, just gone to 5.
Citrus zins, dude.
7-3, 50 Taylor, 10-3, just gone to 5. Oh, dude. 50 Taylor. Alright?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good.
Alright, whichever unit is just marked, say again. Yeah. Rainbow, page, you guys back here?
Yeah, we're back by the BP.
You guys units?
Yeah, start over here. Oh.
You alright? Hold on.
I'm good.
You good?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm good.
Okay. What did you see happen? She just came straight out. Alright, sit down. Yeah, sit down, brother. Yeah. Are you the driver? Okay, go sit over there.
They have medics
No,
coming
go
to
sit
you
over
guys
there.
right now. Okay, they have medics coming to you guys right now. It's good. We were right there. We seen everything. So.
Far enough to get fucking citrus zins, dude.
Seven 3, 50 Taylor, 10-3, just gone to 5. Fifth and Taylor. You alright?
Yeah, I'm good.
Where's it?
7-3, 5th and Taylor, 10-3.
Come on,
Just
step
gone
away
to a
from the
5.
Leave this vehicle, brother.
That
car's still there.
Okay.
You guys units?
You start at 24.
Your passenger, all right?
Yeah.
Take your passenger. You all right?
Hold on.
I'm good.
You good?
Yeah.
Man, all right? She's drunk. She's right there, man. Help him out. I don't want this motherfucker to get to smoking and shit, man.
Did you see what happened?
Yeah, she's right here.
Okay. What did you see happen?
She just came straight out.
She just came straight out.
Yeah.
Alright, sit down.
Yeah, sit down, brother.
Yeah.
Yeah, they all right. They just leave.
Are you the driver? Okay, go sit over there.
They have medics.
No, go sit over there.
Okay, they have medics coming to you guys right now. It's good. We were right there. We seen everything. So. I don't even know. That was.
No.
She was coming.
The police, they had someone coming around. Oh, Jesus, this scared me. Are you okay?
Yeah.
So sorry. That was like, yo, right in front of us.
We're alright. That's the driver. We were going eastbound 5th. She blew that stop sign. He saw it happen.
Oh yeah, so did I.
We're good, we're good.
Check them out.
Why don't you go sit down? Sit down. Sit down.
You guys good?
Not like bad, but it's
She's driver. We were going eastbound. Yeah, she blew the stop sign going north on Taylor.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, what are you doing? Go that way. Go that way. Straight through.
You will stand up.